Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here to do the project unboxing of the residential project that is Green Stories, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Modern Spaces. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, about the current construction status and even about the position. Now, before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of this project. So I am standing just exactly in front of the marketing office of this project, where you can find all the details of the project and check out the 3D model as well. Now about the land parcel. So the land parcel is just few meters away from the marketing office from here. So now let me show you the land parcel. So now this is the actual land parcel of Green Stories where the construction work is going on, and you can even check the construction. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project will be constructed on 2.64 acres of land parcel with 135 units, and this project consists of 2 towers of basement, ground plus 8 and 9 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is located on Kada Agrahara Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. Now let me show you that this is the Kada Agrahara Road where I am currently standing, and this road will connect you towards Sarjapur, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Kommasandra. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So D-Mart Sarjapur is 1 kilometer away. Sarjapur bus stop is 1.8 kilometers away. And you can connect to Azim Premji University in 3 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to internal amenities, and all the apartments in this project are unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like vitrified tiles, assessing, CCTV and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project provides you world-class amenities like of garden area, 5,000 square feet of clubhouse, swimming pool, indoor game, gymnasium and many more. Now coming to parking provision, and this project provides you 2 types of car parking, that is the basement and the ground level car parking. Now let's have a look at the master plan, and this is the master plan of Green Stories. As you can see in the image, there are total 2 towers constructed with luxurious amenities spread around. Now about the floor plan. This is the floor plan of Tower B, having 9 flats per floor, 4 lifts, 4 staircases, where 7 flats are of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 2 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1851 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1793 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1460 square feet super built-up area. Now the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So this project has red brick construction, and above the status, so the 40% work is completed till now. Now about the possession part, and the possession of this project will be in December 2026, that is nearly possession. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of Green Stories, which is located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Modern Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.